Now you're watching Gearz.
Well, Bestop decided it was time to change people's perspective of the soft top, and they came out with the new Trektop for the JL Jeep. We took the Skyjacker Jeep down the road to see what kind of noise was going on inside. We measured in the ballpark of 68 to 70 decibels. The next stop was the car wash. Still no leakage. How does this new Trektop compare to the factory hardtop? Well, let's take a look at that. Number one, was it easy to install? Well, yeah. Is it fully enclosed, quiet, and completely waterproof? Well, there's only one way to find out. Our decibel meter is showing about 65 decibels, which is actually less than the hardtop. Windows up, we are going to test this soft top. Not a drop, nothing coming in anywhere. And considering the fact that this is a soft top that spans the length of a four-door vehicle, that is amazing.